Sometimes beauty is downright strange when it comes to trying out celebrity-inspired weird hacks. Here are a few of these that will revolutionize your beauty routine. So do give these a shot. Now, if you thought baby powder could only be used for babies, then you were wrong. Just take some on your hand and rub it across your face. This will mattify your face and fill in all the pores, making your skin smooth. This acts as a base for even foundation application and also makes your makeup last all day long. If you're looking to flaunt long and wispy lashes, here's a simple DIY you can try out. Soak 2 cotton pads in coconut milk. Let them rest on your eyes for about 15 minutes. Coconut milk is rich in protein and fat that promotes healthy hair growth and conditions the lashes. If you experience post-waxing or shaving bumps or ingrown hair, all you have to do is apply some of this cooling lactocalamine lotion on your hands and legs. It soothes irritated skin by eliminating itchiness and small bumps. If you have tanned skin, rashes or sunburns, applying some of this will help you even out your skin tone and reveal your actual complexion. Does your skin turn greasy during the course of the day, but it's practically impossible to carry your loose powder or your makeup brush everywhere? Just take a normal tissue and sprinkle some loose powder or baby powder on it and fold the tissue and keep it in your bag. Use this tissue paper to dab off the oil patches and mattify your face again. If your skin is breaking out all of a sudden before a big event, just add some water to baby powder and apply it onto your pimple. The drying agent in baby powder will naturally absorb all the oil from your face, causing the pimple to shrink and dry out. By now, you probably know about the various beauty and health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Another hack that you can use this for is makeup removal. Mix some apple cider vinegar in water and soak a cotton pad in it. Use it to remove that stubborn lipstick or mascara and it will come off in a few seconds. Waxing can cause a lot of pain because of the constant tugging and pulling of the skin. Just spray some talcum powder before applying your waxing strip. It'll absorb any excess oil and moisture from your skin so that the waxing strip can stick to your skin properly and ensure a safe pull. If your ear holes have closed and you're facing trouble putting on a pair of earrings, here's a simple hack to ease the pain. Rub some Vaseline on your earlobes to lubricate and soften them, and then go in with your earring to avoid irritating your ear holes further. Any skincare routine is incomplete without a toner, so make one using the most bizarre ingredients. 1 tablespoon of vodka, 3 tablespoons of watermelon juice, and 3 drops of patchouli essential oil. Vodka acts as an astringent which helps unclog pores and brightens your skin. Watermelon juice will help treat acne and balance the natural oils of the skin. Patchouli essential oil enables cell regeneration and reduces the appearance of scars. This magical toner deeply cleanses the skin and protects it from further damage. Now that you know how to use some of the most common products in your beauty routine, you can't have a bad skin day. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.